Welcome back, this is Elinozi. Today on the channel we have something really awesome. This is the Solaris 8 operating system, new in box. I got this from eBay. Before we start, I would like to thank my dear friend Diego, who lent me the camera. Say hi, Diego.
Hey people.
He's a really nice dude. So thank you, Diego. Now let's inspect the box a little bit. So we can have an entry point here and here. Let me get my X-Acto knife and let's cut this. This is something first for me. It is quite rare to find Solaris of all things. And let's destroy the plastic. So, as you can see, it's a very plain box. I assume this is a OEM part. So, let me open it. I really want to be careful with it, but it is giving me some trouble. Maybe I should go for the other side. Oh, come on. It is a little bit smushed, so we have to brute force it a little bit. Alright, there we go. So, right out of the box, so it's empty. Right off the box, we have a... Oh, focus? Yeah. We have an Oracle advertisement. Oracle, as you guys know, is the maker of Java, and this particular operating system, Solaris, contains the Java development environment. And we shall cut it here. This is the etiquette with the serial number, and this is some company jargon we have here. Still Sun Microsystems, Java. We showed and this is the money shot. As you can see, we have two DVDs. Actually, can we get a zoom in on that? On the Netscape logo there? They include Netscape on this, which was a popular browser back in the day. And we have two discs, a DVD, and installation. I assume this is the boot CD, which would like a boot floppy, open up your booting systems as we use with modern Linux systems. And these are all the software packages that contain all the packages in our... Nowadays we get it online, but you had to get the entire system when you ordered an operating system back in the day, just like Debian. And the last CDs are localization, so Asian, and we had the European one here. I assume the normal one is just for America. Pretty nice booklet style plastic bag, and we have a info sheet here, licensing information. I would like to remind you all that Solaris and Sun Microsystems, it's actually a proprietary software that is somehow against the Unix specification, or should I say the Linux, or Linux/GNU. So this is something different. They still make Solaris OS actually, but it's deprecated and it's much more different than its past. We have the accessory software package now. As you can see, it's still a plain box, and again with the number, we get still have a let's look at the cards first now. So the info sheet Management Center. This is an advertisement. Software Companion CD-ROM. Oh, I see. So they did use something like today's APT and Debian. Sun One Studios Tools product family, pretty self-explanatory. Let's put them back in the pouch. And we have Sun Management Center 3.5 software 1 of 2 and 2 of 2. And we get a software companion disk Spark Platform Edition for Solaris OS. So what's different about this Sun Microsystems Solaris is it was designed to run on the Spark processor family, which is something that we do not hear every day. So we looked at those. And lastly, we have the installation manual and all the manuals. We have the binary code license. So let's actually get the knife here. Get a nice penetration on there. On the box we have a part number. So the binary code license, this is just a license file. It probably says, oh yeah, this is some proprietary bullshit, which we do not really like. Supplemental license terms, again, Java, proprietary stuff, whatnot, in every, God knows, every language. And let's take a look at the... It's kind of weird that they included a Japanese manual, of all things. You have a Japanese manual and a installation roadmap in English. And it shows you which CDs or DVDs you have to insert or what they contain. You guys will find a Internet Archive link in the description down below to each document. I will be uploading it here, and we can take a look at the manual briefly. Are you ready to install the software? No, I am not. I do not have a Spark processor. Êtes-vous prêt pour l'installation du logiciel?
Êtes-vous prêt pour l'installation du logiciel? Eh ben non.
Si, merci beaucoup.
De rien, de rien.
Oh, we also have German here. Sind Sie bereit, die Software zu installieren?
Nein.
Nein, noch nicht. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. It's a small little manual, and that's about it, folks. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.